Hey there, and welcome to my show and tell from the 100-Day Project 2023, days 51 through day 60. And I did sort of a variety. I worked in my little journal, and then I made another little fabric thing I'll show you here in a second. I worked in the same journal, completed it that I worked in on the last 10 days. So I've kind of just want to show you the ones that were the last 10 days. And this one, clipped that wrong. Let's do this. There we go. All right, so here we go. They're not in any particular order, but again, using fabric and paper and stitching, and I also ended up using some lace too. I feel that qualifies. I especially love this one. I had been traveling and had seen on the roadside these fields of pink and yellow wildflowers all mixed together, and it was stunning. This one here is actually the stitching from the other side, the other page, when I put the paper on, and I left it raw, and I thought, you know what, that looks pretty cool, so we'll leave it. I love this little seed stitching. And then, of course, I finished the cover, so let's take a look at that. And this, I punched a hole right there and then wrapped this ribbon here through this little, this is from Anthropology, from their packaging. And then the back of it, more seed stitching. And then I did this wrap. This was just hand stitched, and then some sari ribbon stitched onto it, and then I wrapped it around this little journal. And of course, this was inspired by the Lovely Little Letters group, and I'll link that in the description. And they had actually used it as a bracelet, a wrap, but you can also wrap it around books or journals, and I thought that was really cool, so I wanted to make one of those. So that's the 100-Day Project 2023, days 51 through 60. Thanks for watching.